In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a Lightning Web Component in under 5 minutes using my Builder agent. The requirement was simple. I want a Lightning Web Component that shows account information with a simple gradient color background. That's it. A short requirement, a clear goal, and now you're going to see how the agent takes that request, understands what needs to be built, writes the code, generates the artifacts, and gets it ready for deployment. Let's get into it. This is the kind of request that happens all the time. Granted, this is a very basic example, but I will be building more complex things and share. A business user, admin, or developer wants something lightweight, useful, and visually clean on an account record page. Nothing overly complex, just something practical that improves the user experience. In a normal workflow, you would now have to think through the component structure, create the HTML, create the JavaScript, add styling, double-check the Salesforce metadata, and then deploy it. But in this case, the Builder agent takes over most of that work. At this point, the artifacts are ready. The code has been written, the component files exist, and now the user can take those generated files and push them straight into their Salesforce org. You're not just getting ideas or partial snippets, you're getting real output that can move directly into implementation. That's a big difference. Want to make a change? Just request it in the same session. For example, you can ask to increase the font size, and the Builder agent updates the existing CSS file. Then you simply redeploy it to Salesforce and see the change live. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos on AI, systems architecture, Salesforce, automation, and building faster with agents. See you in the next one.